What's up, guys and girls of the internet? Thank you so much for watching my channel. My name is Kaz. In this video I'm going to be talking about a software called GlassWire, and I got 10% off for all of my subscribers and supporters. Stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the GlassWire channel. My time to shine, y'all ready?
Okay guys, I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time. GlassWire approached me and they wanted me to review their software. They gave me the key to an elite version of their software, which is the most expensive version, so I'm just going to show you what all it has. Now, they did give me a coupon for all of my supporters and subscribers to get a discount, 10% off on all of their products, all the different versions, and you can get 10% off. I'm going to show you how to do that. It is free downloadable software. However, if you want to get it completely unlocked, you have to pay the various different packages. But if you just want to try it out, see if you like it or not, you can come right on glasswire.com and click right here where it says download GlassWire free. Right now, GlassWire allows you to monitor everything on your network, different PCs. So like if a different PC opens up Internet Explorer, it also allows you to monitor if there is somebody maybe trying to attack your network with malware and different things like that. It is a nifty software. I think it is quite cool to have. It is something that I only see IT personnel having rather than just a normal person, because I don't know why you possibly want to have the software if you don't know anything about what is being displayed. But if you do understand the information, it is great stuff to have. Now if you go down here on their main homepage on their website, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You can click right here where it says buy GlassWire, and I'm going to show you how to use the coupon before we actually open up the software. Now on the website you can see that they have 3 packages besides the free one. And the basic package is 49 bucks. That's you only can use it on one PC. You have 6 months history. I'm going to explain all that later. And then you have 3 remote connections, because you can actually, like I said, you can connect to all your devices on your network and monitor all what they're doing, right? And then the pro version, you have for 99 bucks, you get 3 PCs, 1 year history, and 10 remote connections. And then the last one is the elite version, which is $199, 10 PCs, unlimited history, unlimited remote connections, and everything else is pretty much from there the same. All right, now if you want to use the coupon, you want to click on something like, I want to click on elite, and you can come right here where it says check to enter coupon code, and the coupon code would be CAZ. Coupon code would be CAZ, that's CAZ. And once you type that in, you get 10% off on all of their products. So this is GlassWire. This is how it looks. Right now I have it connected to my Asus computer, which is my desktop, and I'm running it right now on my laptop. The reason why I'm running it on my laptop is I was having a bit of a difficulty trying to get it to work with the remote server on my desktop. It's a bit of a nifty thing to set up when it comes to remote server. Everything else is no setup. The only thing to set up is the remote server, and they do have a forum that you can read different stuff, and that was one of the ways I was able to manipulate the system and actually get it to work for me. But the first thing we're looking at is the graph, and on the graph you can see it's going to look like this. In the graph you'll see all these spikes with different times and stuff like that. And what these are is that if you click a spot, you can actually see all the software that is actually running at the time. It tells you the application, it tells you the host, and if I click this information, I can get the host information like the Cisco and all that. And I can see the download and upload, see everything that's going on, and I can also go to apps to see how much memory they're using. Like BitTorrent is using this amount, and AVG is using this amount. And then I can actually go to traffic. Right, and once I go in traffic, I could get more information to see all my traffic of downloads, uploads at that given time. I can press play. I can actually go back in history, so I can leave my computer, come back, and I can monitor what all is happening. The reason why this would be good inside maybe a bigger corporation or a business is that if a computer gets a virus, maybe one computer is watching everything, and if a computer gets a virus, you can go back in time and you can try to see when this virus may have come in and where it came from. All right, and it also has a firewall option, and this firewall option I have on, and you see this little thing where it has a little gray like fire, and if you click it you can actually block everything. Alright, so watch this. I can block Google Chrome right now, and you can do this on each device. So if I go on Kaz Asus, I can block Google Chrome on Kaz Asus. So I could just but right now I'm just using my laptop, and I see that I've just blocked my Google Chrome. Alright, now if I unblock it, I can open up my Google Chrome again, and it should open up my YouTube page, and you can see it right there. Now the next thing you see is the usage, and the usage is more information in regards to applications and traffic type. Basically it displays the information in a different order and form. Something similar to the graph. You can also go to apps and traffic and see how much memory each software or application is using at the moment, or used, and stuff like that. And you can also go into networks, and in the network section you can actually see your DNS and IP, right? And you can see that one is named Kaz, the next one is named Cisco. That's pretty much all the devices that are connected to my network right now, at least all the PCs that are connected to my network right now, not including the one that I'm on right now. And it also has this alert feature, so whenever I go on a different like website, do something new and so forth like that, it gives me a notification somewhere down here to tell me that, hey, I've just done something, and it keeps a log of everything that's being done right here. And if you look right here, you can also check for virus. So if you suspect that this first something that happened when you went on a certain website, a virus may have come in that same exact time, you can click right here and you could virus scan, and it'll tell you if it's clean or not. If it's not, then you would know where it came from. The key feature I like about this is you can monitor multiple computers all at once, and you can see I have my Kaz Asus there. So I went into the GlassWire settings tab right here by clicking this GlassWire name. Then I went into settings, and I pretty much went to client, and these are my settings. All right, these are my settings that enabled me to make it work. I didn't put in any password or anything like that. I left it pretty much factory right there. And then I went to remote server. I named my next computer whatever I wanted. It's pretty much only going to read the IP address, and I didn't put any password, and I pressed enable connections, and I pressed OK. And I also came over here and I went into server remote access, and I unlocked this right here. And once I unlocked that, I unchecked the allow access from only from IP address and so forth, and you have the list whatever IP address is there. But I unchecked that because, like I said, I was playing around with it. I couldn't get it to connect to my PC for nothing, and I finally got it to connect. These are my settings that I got it to connect with, and it worked for me. I don't know why. This is my first time actually using the software, and I'm not familiar. I'm not a pro at it, but these are some of the things I recognize about this. All right. And if you go into security, you also have more options here. You can unlock it, and you can check or uncheck all these different things. Like if you have a kid inside the house, or you have a business and they're not supposed to use the webcam, you can actually check this right here. So if they connect to the webcam, you can have a little alert to say, hey, someone connected to the webcam on whatever computer and stuff like that. That's quite nifty, and I think that's a great idea. Press exit right there, and you can come right over here. So this is my local computer right here, my local device, and these are all my graphs and firewalls and everything on my local device, right? But if I go to Kaz Asus, which is my next computer that's running right now, I can see all the same information that I saw with the local on this one, but this information will be coming from my next computer, and I can stop it at any point and just be like, hey, what's happening right there, and try to see exactly what was going on. So I downloaded this amount, I uploaded this amount software. This is things that are running on my next computer right now. I could check these. I could check out all these different things. I could check out applications, see how much is downloading, uploading, check the all firewall. I can block things on that computer. I can do all these things on different devices that are on my network right now. I can go on the usage and see the information displayed in a different way. The same thing that I've seen on my local section, I can go to networks and see the things that are connected to my network based on DNS or IP address. And I also can go to alert and see all the alerts that are happening right now. And you can see right now I'm using the Game Capture HD, the Elgato, and it also picked that up that I'm using that right now. You can see right here, and I can also check it for a virus, and it's telling me that it's clean. So this software is nifty. I think that the software It's definitely not for someone who doesn't know what this information is or how to use this information to their advantage or how to protect their network with this information. But for IT personnel, for businesses, even small or large businesses, I could definitely see someone using this, or maybe just a concerned parent who wants to monitor everything on their network with their child. You can maybe get the basic package. I don't see you getting anything more, but with the Pro and the Elite package, definitely small businesses, the large businesses, monitoring all their online devices to make sure that their network is safe. So with that, guys, peace in the Caribbean, peace in the Middle East, and don't forget to use the code CAZ, C-A-Z, on GlassWire.com to get 10% off on all of their versions.